Airsoft collection, June 2014. Okay. Only gun missing from here is the Derringer, which I've managed to leave on the table at home. So small, you do have a habit of misplacing it a little bit. Okay. So, take our Marui Glock Advance. Gas. Take our Marui. Not much else to say. Double Eagle or UTG Tri-Shot Shotgun. There'll be no firing demonstration of this as I've left all the shells at home. I do have long stock for that as well. Galaxy MP5K. Now I've done quite a bit of modification work on this with what's called a swordfish kit. So as you can see, it has a meat tenderizer at the front, similar to what you'd get on a pistol, and a full steel rail across the top, flip up sights. Sights are fairly hopeless as it shoots severely to the left, but they look cool. Aim top G36C. What I've done here is I've put a real steel K front end on it. That's off the real weapon. I've put an Airsoft 203 short King Arms on it, and put a silencer in. So generally have the mags double stacked, as you see there. Quick reloads, they're mid caps, 140 rounds. In the Galaxy MP5K I typically run 95 round mid caps as well. I do have a high cap in for this demonstration, as yet again I've left the mags at home. Kalash AKs, so AKMS first. So this has had a bit of modification, but this is the full steel version, what they call a full steel, so there is no pot metal on it. Everything is made out of real metal. Modifications, a little bit of paracord on the back. When it's winter it's cold and it's a bit nicer on the cheek. The mag release enhanced, so you can flip it out with your finger. The worst fitting mag for this is the standard one you see in it. I always use the 90 rounds that you saw at the beginning of the table. I have sight mount on it, which is about to have a replica T1 put on it, and a different flash hider. It's called Shark from memory. Stock standard, well apart from the internals, Kalash RK10FS. So AK-74, plastic mag to start with. Yet again I'll be throwing the 90 rounder in it. This has had a new motor put in it. New bearings and piston are going in today. But yeah, other than that she's been fairly good. Totally stock. Okay, so UTG Sniper M324 Master Sniper, 477 FPS, red dot fitted. That's all you need for airsoft. Bit of camo at the end, and yeah, intermittently I put an angled foregrip on it as well. Just makes it a bit more comfortable to hold on to all day. But yeah, so that's the collection. Most of them are running 7.4s that are obviously battery operated. The MP5K typically I run as a secondary, and I run 11.1 battery in it, so it runs a little bit faster. But yeah, we'll get on to some shooting. Okay, so we're out at the Marui range, doing a bit of a loadout shoot. So first Glock Advance G26. Funny thing is they make a G26 small, they make it bigger with the Glock Advance again by opening up the pistol grip again, and obviously putting a end on it again. So yeah, 15 meters to target. It's real cold here today, by the way. They're not great for cold weather, but mags do have a habit of playing up a bit, as you can see. UTG Tri-Fire Shotgun. I have the full stock for this as well. I left all the shells at home, but simple pump and fire. Fires 3 at a time. You get 10 rounds, 30 rounds to the mag, so 10 shots. Okay. Galaxy MP5K, running the high cap for today, which is unusual. But yeah, running this is my secondary, typically hanging here and velcroed onto the gear, so it sits nice and tight. And you can fire it obviously semi. Yeah, high cap has a habit of misfeeding. I generally run mid caps in it, and then full auto. High cap pain in the ass. target then, by the way. It's my original gun, 3 years old. This is an aim top G36C, full length K front end on it off a real steel weapon, and I've just put a King Arms M203 grenade launcher on it. So yeah. It's got a slow rate of fire on it, but I don't mind that. It's one of my slower weapons. 140 round mid caps, double stacked together. Yeah, good gun. Love the grenade launcher. First time I've been using the grenade launcher today. Did some testing at home, but yeah, it was a 5 metre range. Range seems to be fairly good. Better than what I probably thought. At the moment we're shooting just onto 20 metres, so the shells look absolutely awesome. The King Arms 60 round grenades, King Arms grenade launcher. Yeah, great gun. The only thing I've had to do in that one is replace the bearings after 3 years. This is the Kalash RK10. It's the full steel version. I am having some trouble with the sleeker at the moment. I just found out it's the plastic trigger guard that goes just in behind the trigger. It's sticking a little bit. Better put a loaded mag in it. These are the mags I typically use, AKM mags, because eHobby Asia sent me the wrong ones. But they're great. Auto, hopefully. Great gun. Has a real good look to it. Does the job. Kalash RK01. I think it's an RK01 or 2, one or the other. Yet again, the AKM mags. AKM mags actually fit better in them. They're tighter than the original AK-74 mags. This one gets great range. I don't know why the range is better than the other one. This is the basic version of the Kalash AKs. This gun has incredible range on it. Last but not least, UTG Sniper. So, nothing complicated about it, 22 round mag roughly. Bolt action, simple red dot on it, 1x zoom on it, or no zoom. It's airsoft, don't need anything else. It's a real simple weapon to use. UTG is exactly the same as the well weapon, Chinese made well. So that apart from the Derringer is Airsoft Collection 2014.